In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your lead tabs, which are your lead capture pages inside Facebook, to any other Facebook page you want with pretty much a simple copy and paste process. The reason you might want to do this, and the focus of this video, is to show you how you can use lead capture pages for each individual agent in your office so that they all have their own unique lead capture process. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is be on Facebook as yourself, and you want to go over to the file that we would have emailed you that will look something like this. And the first thing you want to do is you want to grab this Facebook tab app code, copy it, then hop over to Facebook and paste it in the URL address bar of your browser. Hit enter. It'll take you to a page like this. Click the big green button. Then it's going to ask you, what Facebook page are we adding this tab framework to? So you grab the Facebook page of the one that you want to use. I'm playing with an example page here today. Grab the page you're going to install the tab app framework to, and then click Add Page Tab. It'll take you right to the page you added it to, and you'll see a little welcome link there. It'll say Set Up Tab. Click the Set Up Tab button. And the framework we're using here is probably the #1 used one now, which is by Thunderpenny, who is the software developer, Facebook software developer for this static HTML tab or app code. Now down here in the body of this, you want to delete all this text. Now we're going to put our specific lead capture page code that we gave you. So let's go back to that file again. You want to scroll down, and for this example we're going to duplicate a USDA zero down program lead capture page. So we're going to grab this whole code, we're going to copy it, go back to Facebook, paste it in that blank area now. Okay, we're pretty much done. So this is very simple to do, very quick to do. All you have to do at this point is go into this code and change the 5-digit code for the key code. This is the code that will identify which real estate agent's Facebook page the lead came from. Okay, and we're going to look at this in here in a second. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to change it for this example, but you'll use a different 5-digit code every time you paste this into a different agent's Facebook page. I'm going to click Save and Publish, and then I want to preview this page. Okay, what you'll see here is there is this key code up here, in this case 46135. And when you do this right, you're going to set up your contact form so that people who sign up have to put in that key code to kind of effectively unlock this offer. Okay, so they would have to put in 46135. When they submit that form, that code will come with all this other information they put in this form, and that's going to tell you which agent. Okay, so that effectively tells you which agent there. That's why you need a different key code. The people who type all this information in will use a different key code depending on which agent's page they're coming on. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you. But this is just a preview of what the page will look like. And that's why you need to change that key code every time. So I'll go back to the code here page. That's why you need to change this key code. This, in effect, tells you which agent's page it came from. Now, one other thing I want to point out, you may want to tell your agents, inside this same code, there's a link here or a button that says Enable on mobile devices. When I click that, it's going to give me a short bit.ly link. This is that direct link that your agents want to use for their own Facebook page, lead capture page, tab, or app. There will be a different code for every Facebook page and every landing page on that Facebook page. So they want to go into their settings of their app and get their code, and this will be the URL code that they advertise anywhere to get more people into this capture page. Okay, it works, as you can see, on all different size screens and devices, but they'll want to copy that and paste that and advertise that anywhere they want. Okay, so let's scroll up a little bit. We're going to click View on Facebook, and what we'll see is when it loads up here, there it is. Okay, it's installed. Now we want to change this welcome link to something else, so what we're going to do is we're going to go under More. We're going to click Manage Tabs. One thing we might do is we might slide this up so that it's one of the first links that people see. I'm not going to do this here because this is just an example, but if you do that, then save it, then come back in here again because we need to do something else. We want to change that welcome name, so we're going to click Add or Remove Tabs, and the static HTML iframe tabs, that's the one we're playing with here. This is actually a different one. So we want to go into Edit Settings, and we would put 0 down or USDA 0 down or something here to change this tab to what it really is for. So I'm just going to write 0 down. That's the benefit, right? It should really be something like buy with 0 down. Okay, then you click Save. Now the other thing you want to do is change this tab image. We don't want this little default gray image looking thing. So we would have sent you a file. After you click Choose File, you're going to upload that file that we would have sent you for your button images. So I'm going to go do that now. Okay, and I'm just going to use this one. Click Open. It'll load up. Okay, so we're done here. So what we want to do is we want to close out this little tab, browser tab, and it'll take us back to the original settings. It's now in there. Hit Save again and then hit OK. Now when we click the page link up here in the left, it's going to take us back to the page, and what we'll see is that welcome link now says buy with 0 down, and down in our apps section we have this buy with 0 down, buy for less graphic that we just uploaded. So we're all done. That's the same process you will now do for every agent's page, step by step. The only thing you will change is the 5-digit key code in each of the lead capture tabs and on each of the agent pages you install it to. Okay, I hope that gives you a good understanding of how that all works and how you can quickly duplicate your single lead capture tabs, use a key code on top of them to make it so that they're actually all unique when capturing leads, and yet they're all using the basic same HTML framework to do it. Saves you money, saves you time, allows you to duplicate your process very quickly across all your agents. Hope this was helpful. Take care.